Imagine waking up from a good night's sleep under the assumption that you still have a few more hours to snooze. However, when you check the time, there are only a few minutes left before your alarm is set to ring. This situation may take you aback, but there may actually be a biological reason for it. According to some neurologists, the source of this behavior is in the center of the brain. There, you can find a bundle of nerves called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. This bundle of nerves performs a variety of tasks, including controlling blood pressure and body temperature. It also plays a big role in our body clock, called the circadian rhythm, as it helps us to maintain our sense of time and regulate our sleep cycle. Through this process, our body becomes accustomed to a certain sleep routine. If the routine is repeated and kept consistent, our internal clock can eventually ascertain the moment when we should wake up. Furthermore, you can do this without using external cues such as the increasing light from the rising sun or the sound of an alarm clock. Due to this, our body releases a stress hormone that pushes us to wake up at the right time or just before we need it. Thus, we find ourselves opening our eyes slightly earlier than the buzz of our clock. Also, there may be times when you have to wake up earlier than usual. For example, you may be anxious because you have an early flight or a morning exam that you must not miss. Also, then the suprachiasmatic nucleus may work with the rest of your body clock to make adjustments. This way, it is able to release the stress hormone even earlier than usual.